Alright guys, today we talk about Sweet Child of Mine, Guns N' Roses, probably one of the most famous Guns N' Roses song. So let's take a look to the main riff. So I start the riff on the 4th string, 11th fret, then 2nd string, 14th fret, then ring finger on the 3rd string, 13th fret and 11th fret. So again. Then pinky on the 1st string, 14th fret, and then ring finger on the 3rd string, 13th fret. Then pinky on the 13th fret, again ring finger on the 3rd string, 13th fret. So I will play again this part very slow. Then basically the same thing, but starting from the 13th fret. Then starting from the 3rd string, 11th fret. And then the ending part, starting on the 1st string, 11th fret. I will play again this part very slowly. So let's talk about the first solo. We start on the 2nd string, 9th fret, and then we go to the 3rd string, 11th fret. So basically, 2nd string, 9th fret, 3rd string, 11th fret and 10th fret. Again. Then this time I go 2nd string, 9th fret, 3rd string, 11th fret, and then I go to the 3rd string, 8th fret. This is very important. I do half step bending on the 3rd string, 10th fret. And then I go on the 4th string, 11th fret. Then again bending. And I go on the 1st string, 9th fret. And again bending on the 3rd string. Bend and release. So. I will play again this part very, very slowly. Then, second part of the solo, I start again from the same phrase. And then I go I change and I go on the second string, 9th fret, and I slide to the second string, 14th fret. So I will play till here. And I do this bending, full bending. Then and I release. And I go on the second string, 11th fret, half step bending, bend and release. Basically a second inversion of F sharp. Then I go on the third string, 13th fret. I do this pretty quick bending, bend and release, and bending again. Then second string, 14th fret with a pinky, bending with a ring finger, full bending, and release. And then second string, 16th fret, full bending, and with a pinky on the first string, 16th fret. So I will play again very slowly this part.